Experiencing a no remote detected message on your GMC Terrain? This typically happens when your key fob battery dies. The solution involves a simple bypass. First, remove the mechanical key from your fob to manually unlock the driver's door. Then, place the fob directly on the center console over the Start-Stop button, or hold it right against the button. Press and hold the Start button for 5 to 10 seconds while also depressing the brake pedal. This forces the system to scan the fob's transponder chip, temporarily overriding the dead battery issue and allowing you to start the vehicle. This bypass is designed as a safety feature, not a permanent fix, so replace the battery as soon as possible. Remember, this works only if the fob's internal chip is intact. Key fobs for 2018-2023 GMC Terrains use a CR2032 3-volt lithium coin cell battery. Battery life averages 1.5 years, and dead fob issues are reported by 22% of owners within 3 years. GMC released over-the-air updates in late 2023 and mid-2025, improving fob detection. Automotive engineers state the bypass is a designed-in safety feature and not a hack. Trends are shifting towards digital keys and smartphone apps for vehicle access, potentially reducing reliance on physical fobs by 2030. If the bypass fails, ensure the immobilizer hasn't been triggered. Persistent issues may indicate deeper problems like water damage, requiring professional reprogramming that costs $50 to $150. For DIY battery replacement, it is about $310.